In this video I'm going to show you how to fix add friends not showing on Facebook. So if I go to Facebook and you want to search for a specific friend and it's just not showing up under people, that can mean a few things. That you have entered an incorrect username or their name. They maybe change it so you don't know the new one. And also what can be a thing is that if they have blocked you, you won't be able to see them. And to see if they have basically blocked you, just use another account and then search up their name. If you do that, you will be able to see have they blocked you or not. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.